Hi, Princess. What's wrong? I think I know why you're meowing. Cree! Did you smell Princess? Yes! I smelled that creepy boy! Cree, you gotta be kidding me! What you do this to my own pet? I love her! Too bad! That's it! Put a salt on your beak, Cree! What? This is what you get. This is what you get for torturing my hat. Stop abusing hats, alright? It's just like the PAW Patrol pups. I got up for Princess. Don't worry, Princess. I dealt with Cree. You don't have to be there anymore. I got rid of Cree. It's all that matters. Now you okay now, Princess? Yep, she's alright now.